Afternoon.
Afternoon, happy Sunday.
Same to you. How is everything?
Fine, we thank God.
So I want to ask you this question. For example, now, if you like say a boy and a girl they relationship now, is it a man responsibility to take care of the girl?
Yes, it's his responsibility. Good man dey take off a woman because na man na be the head of everything. Good man dey maintain a woman. If you no maintain your woman, who go come maintain her? Na you
Ah,
suppose to dey maintain her.
okay. Now the man, now suppose they maintain the girl if
Eh,
they relationship.
yes, na
I'm not talking about marriage. Now this one is
I
just
know
relationship.
relationship must to take off your maintain your woman, make your woman look good looking. Who see her na? You go see am say the woman dey okay. Anything wey the woman want, you must give am, you must find out to that woman.
So because we some guys we believe say maybe let's say if a man and woman dey relationship now, anything when the man do for the girl or anything when the girl do for the man now out of pity, it's not the man responsibility or the woman responsibility. It's not a obligation.
It's not obligation.
Yes.
No, it's not obligation. If
Mhm.
the woman feels to buy something for the man, maybe the man won't do birthday, the woman fit still buy something for your boyfriend now if you wan do birthday, or the girl wan do birthday, the man fit still buy something for the woman for her birthday. No be obligation. If you no still buy, nobody die. You understand?
No,
So
I'm not talking about maybe birthday, maybe taking care of themselves. Maybe the woman say, okay, it's your responsibility to buy her for me. It's your responsibility to pay my house rent. So some responsibility to pay my school fees, something like that.
we dey talk
Well,
about
that's what
that.
I'm trying to say. If it is a man responsibility to do all those things, to take care of the woman that is dating.
Whether it's responsibility, no responsibility, if a man dey date woman, the woman no get work, it's the man responsibility to help that woman to take care of her, pay her house rent because she's not working. But if the woman dey work, the man dey work, na still responsibility if the man feel like to do it. You understand? And because the woman no fit do it, so the man go help am do am. And if the man still dey, maybe the man no dey work and e no get to help himself, the woman fit still help the man too, because when God create Adam and Eve, he create woman make e be the help for the husband. We're not talking about husband, I'm just making
Right?
example. You understand? E good make man dey take off him girlfriend, because if him girlfriend no dey good looking, na people go dey talk say, see as your girlfriend dirty, see as your girlfriend no dey maintain, see as your girlfriend be. But if you dey maintain your woman, and your woman no fit still go outside, if you no dey maintain your woman, how you come go do another man?
Okay,
You
okay,
understand?
okay. It's not okay. So okay, you don't say okay. It's not a responsibility for the woman to maintain the man if the man is not working or if the man is looked at her.
If a responsibility to maintain the man, if the man no dey work, no fit for pityness, you understand, for good heart, you understand, your husband dey spend, you say your husband, your boyfriend dey suffer, e good make you help am. You see some people now, person wey you no know, you dey help am talk less of the man wey you dey friend. You see am say e dey suffer, you see am say hungry wan beat am, you see am say e dey lack of maybe credit card, e dey lack of food, e dey lack of money, maybe e wan enter taxi, maybe e wan buy ticket enter place, e wan go work or e wan go any place, you fit still help the man.
You know why me they talk because when you maybe if you carry some Nigeria guests, if you carry them out now, maybe when I want go birthday, when I want go somewhere, maybe shopping or maybe bar, you understand? If you buy something, if you like, they think maybe it's your responsibility to feed their bill. But if you take maybe white girl out and maybe Oyibo, you say you want pay their bill, they will say no, 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 no. Why do you want to do so?
Because
Understand? For example, if you take them out today and tomorrow, if you take them out, say you want to pay for them, they look it as wait, they look it as intimidation. But our Africa guests, like especially in Nigeria, they take it as they look it as it's a man responsibility to take care of them. That is what I'm want to ask you.
we African women, we
Uh,
not born for Europe.
uh-huh.
White people wey dey born for Europe, you know say na oyibo woman na im dey control man. Man dey obey dem. Na their culture, na their mentality. So as we be say we Nigeria women, dey born us for our country Nigeria.
Mm.
The one dey born for Benin, dey born am for Benin. The one dey born for Isoko, dey born am for Isoko. Ishan, dey born am for Ishan. Every different tribe dey born am, and na still the same Africa Nigeria na for born us. We grow up like that, say na man na im dey take care of woman. So na im make if dem still reach Europe, that mentality, e still dey inside their blood, e still dey inside their spirit. Then they make am say that they wait for man make e pay their bills, they go restaurants, because na man na im dey talk wetin woman wan do. Because of that our culture still dey follow us dey go, na im make we dey depend on men say make dem maintain us, make dem pay our bills of house rent, make dem pay our bills if we go restaurants. Na that one na im make our women dey do am like that, because that mentality still dey with us. White woman na dem dey control their white men. Their white men dem no fit cough. So if white women go restaurants na dem dey pay. Whether their white men pay or their white women pay, whether dem pay by theirself or that culture dem don already dey inside. That mentality don already dey with dem. But dem no even feel anything say dem dey do anything wrong. But woman, as e be say we don learn that culture, that mentality for our house, our country, so we dey feel say maybe the man dey use us because of the mentality wey we bring from childhood. We still carry am come, na because of that, not
Okay,
because of anything.
that is our mentality.
Yes, our mentality na cause am, because na Nigeria dem for born. You see all these black babies wey dem born for here, we say Nigerian man, Nigerian woman, dem stay Europe, so dem come born children for here, dem be black, African. You see when dem grow up, dem no get that our mentality. Dem fit still buy something for men without say body no shake dem. You understand? Without say dem no feel uncomfortable, because that mentality of Europe e dey their.
Okay, that is to say now is our mentality. It's not our responsibility. It's not obligation.
It's not obligation, it's our
But it's our
mentality.
mentality.
Man
Okay, that is
suppose to
what I
take
want to.
off woman. Man is the head.
Okay, that is what I want to know. Okay.
Yes.
No, Wala, thank you so much. God bless you.
Okay.
Have a nice day.
Have a nice day. Thank you so much. Bye.